Hello folks, Mr. Raven here, and welcome back to midstream, midweek stream. 2 seconds here, I need to mute my mobile phone. It was making sounds. Sorry about that. The Thursday stream of Kerbal Space Program. I'm eating some hot candy because I have a little and it helps a little bit. So if I crush it instead of just having it and it goes into the microphone, I'm sorry. Anyways, last time I realized it's not that easy to dock to a object that is in orbit, in a highly eccentric orbit. And I thought that it can't be true that it's so hard. So I think I'm just gonna do like a quick, small rocket thing, and try to experiment with that before we take another try at it with the SSTO. Damn, wow, man, that was far away. Woo. It's been a little rough week at work. Whenever, isn't it that? I don't know. I think I told you guys about me that my closest chief, leader, boss, team leader, probably team leader is the right word, got fired. And that started a lot of discussions and talk with me and my colleagues. Do we want to continue working where we are, or do we want to find someplace new, or do we want to see what times bring? We know what we got, but we don't know what we're gonna get. And I think most of us has decided to stay. But Monday we found out that one of our colleagues got sacked because, well, to say it nicely, he wasn't doing the job. So he got sacked, which means we have to work for a boss that's not there. We've got to do stuff that our team leader normally do, and now we need to do stuff that he does. The other co-worker that got fired, and then a third co-worker just put down his notice because he found something new. So right now we are one team leader and 2 guys down. So we other needs to work for about 3 people ish. It's gonna be rough the next 3 to 6 weeks. So if I'm gonna miss some of my Thursday streams, I'm sorry in advance, and I hope you guys will understand. Because I'm going to need to work a lot to keep up with the bare minimum that we need to deliver. So yeah, but I will try to actually do the stream. It is important to me to do it, and it's something I enjoy. So why not try and keep it? Why do I have to give call on everything I do outside of work just to save the company's faces? The company's face. I don't think that's fair. So yeah. But okay. Let's not dwell on that. Let's just get into the game. And let's do the test. See if I can't do this manually. I think I can do something. And then maybe do the last of it with the autopilot. Otherwise, I just have to try and do the whole thing manually. I know how to do it, so it's not that difficult. It's just gonna take me longer. So let's just build quickly. It doesn't even need to be manned, and it doesn't even need to be big. It just needs to have a docking port. Actually, it don't even need to have a docking port. It can just be a little probe. Yeah. Maybe that's too small. This might be better. Then that's a big reaction wheel, but hey, it fits. Battery, a docking port. A docking port. Which one is that? I've been playing this game for so many hours and I still can't find everything I'm looking at. When I'm looking for it, I mean, I still can't find it. That's just dumb. Dumb, 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 dumb. Okay. So if we put that in and maybe just a small tank, it doesn't need to be big, and then some of the small tweaks things, maybe even smaller. Doesn't really weigh anything, so I guess a couple of these should be fine. Maybe do 4. Wait a minute, 3 of them. This one has 16, and what is 275, 290, 260, 290. So it's the same in a vacuum. Maybe because of the weight difference. This one is 0.02, 0.08. Excuse me. That's a 320, and it's a 20 kilonewton. And how heavy is it? 0.13. Put 3 of these. Okay, that's only a 0.06. 1220. So this one is actually more efficient. And it has a little more oomph. Do we have a small, like a tiny whiny one? Well, we got one that goes down to tiny whiny. Whoa. Whoa. Don't have the other way. Well, we do, but that's only liquid fuel. Yeah, that fucks it up. How about efficiency? Yeah, that fucks it up too. So that small, we can't do that, but we can do this one, I think. Gonna lose 38 meters per second just for that part. And do we really need to have that part? I don't think so. How the heck do we do this smart? Because if we use that little engine and we use a decoupler, not that one. That one, it's gonna look weird. But if we use this one, I think. We can do it like that. That makes us lose 48. Well, something like that. Okay, let's get the big one and just do 2 of those. That's gonna give us something too, because we can move it with the RCS as well. So the 1046 is just, I was about to say it's just a number. Of course it's just a number. So, but it doesn't really need the docking port. I just decided. Or I just realized. Not that one. Not that one. So that's giving us a little extra. Need some solar. It's a 0.09. Yeah, I'm not gonna go buy followers. Jerk. Kind of want them the legit way. 0.0175 ton. That's the same. Should we take 2? 2. That's the thing. We don't need any more. Do I have a small rocket? Or do I only have like a big one? Excuse me. Well, that's big enough, I guess. I think that's the smallest payload. Let's call it test. Eccentric orbit. Mach 1. Let's go like that. Let's try and take off. See if that makes sense. Makes help. We need to... Oh, wait a minute. We actually need a antenna. Hup. Zoom. Just put them on. Yeah. Let's try that again. And we need to align ourselves. It's going down. So we need to go south. Did I lose all my power? I did not. Let's go send Gaiden. What is south? Baby, don't hurt me. I think south is 180. I think. South is this way. That's wrong. 90? Ooh. Minus 90. That's 275. I lost a wing. Not good. We got so much Delta V, it doesn't really matter. I think we can do pretty much what we want. I actually think I could alter it to go north without any problem. It does say 180. That's weird. Why did it go the other way then? Okay. It's not gonna fit all that bad. Stop it. Okay, screw you then. Pew. Okay, my plan is to test. Trying to do the exact same orbit to start with, and then, you know, extend it by 100 meters in both directions. So it's on the outside of the other one. As close as possible to the same orbit. Don't remember if we have any tools here that could help us maybe. Match planes with target could be a good idea. Not even sure what this one is. Maybe we should check that out. But the first one with matching plane with target, that makes sense. So probably try and do that. Then we can just, you know, change the apoapsis to the same height and maybe a little extra. I don't have any better idea. The autopilot auto rendezvous couldn't do it last time anyways. So gotta have to experiment a little bit, right? Okay, we are in orbit. Orbit. Let's extend the solar panels. Sir, yes, sir. Let's see where we get at. So let's try and meet up with our target. So select a target. That's the first one. And then match planes. Yeah. That didn't cost us much. Then we just need to raise the periapsis. Oh, the apoapsis to the same height. And a little more. I don't know how it's gonna go. Hopefully it's gonna be easy. Okay, got plenty of electricity. The worst part is that we have to scroll out a lot to see everything, so it's hard to make things happen. And of course we can use the maneuver node thingamabob. Where are you? Oh. No? Okay. Can't remember which one it is anyways. Okay. But right now it's should have the same plane as the other. So let's try and get the apoapsis where the periapsis is, and then raise the other one. In theory, we should be able to just to be here until it comes by. Then meet up with it here. But I have no idea how many orbits I need to do that. Let's try and see what happens if I just add orbits. If I eventually get an encounter. I'm already at 2 days. I think it's gonna take at least... You know what? Can't we just wait a little bit here? See, it comes. Should go this way. Okay, we don't lose. Ooh, crap. I missed it. It's a test anyway. Let's give it another go. 20 days. Okay, reach there. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. It kind of accelerates as it gets closer to Kerbal. Crap! It went past again. What? Are you kidding me? Now we got the both of them. So what if I add in another orbit? Okay, it's already passed. Damn it. Oh, wait a minute. I could just... Gonna bring it in again. Just a second here. Just try and turn it. No, stop. Not that one. Stupid thing. I wonder, could I actually just create that? Let's try. Should have saved when I got up. Never mind. Let's. Yeah, I kind of want to test that one out actually. Now that it's close by, if That makes all the different. So let's execute. Maybe just save. Just redo. Didn't do that much work. It's gonna fly past us. And if I'm on the inside of the original orbit, I should travel a little faster. So maybe that makes sense. I got plenty of Delta V. Maybe this is gonna work. You have an encounter down here just not that far away. But if you just go another round. Now it has an account over there. It's actually matched it pretty well. Didn't do much. It did the first thing I thought of doing. I should be closing up on it. Do I have a... Oh, it's so hard to see. When you zoom out, you really can't see... So if I add in a maneuver... What? Stop. Are we still matched with planes? Yeah. It made a maneuver thing. So if the orbit is a little smaller here in the beginning, we should be getting up on it. Let's try and accelerate a little bit here to see if we can get an encounter. But what? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we do get an encounter there. How far away is that? Separation 500 and... So, let's try and do... Trying to do maneuver node. Then small, really small. That made bigger. 500, 400, 300, 200, 200, 125. It disappeared. 25 kilometers. Can we cheat us closer? 25, 22, 20, 20, 19, 17, 16, 15, 14. Oh, it's gonna work. Hopefully 10, 9, 8. Oh, it goes up again. So what if I do this? Ah, oh, crap, it disappeared. Damn it. Oh, it's still fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, that goes up. That goes down. 3. Oh. 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 Okay, I think 3.1 kilometer. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Guess that's just the closest we can get. With 3.0 meters per second. I think I kind of want to go slow as we can go on that throttle. Then execute. Will you please execute that for me? And I don't really want to separate these two because if I want to try something else, I could use the Delta V, but I might have to. Now I don't have an encounter. I do not understand. Let's try and warp to there. Almost flying side by side. There it is. So, let's point at the target. Ooh, stop. Let's try and get that. Okay, we're coming towards the target, but it's gonna take some longest time. How close are we to Apoap's? It's 2 days and 5 hours. Oh, we're coming close. Oh, we're coming close. It's so close we can see it now. What? No, I pushed the wrong freaking button. Damn it! I suck at this. I told you it's gonna take me a while. I know what I'm doing, but I'm not doing it right. If that makes sense at all. I think it does, right? I'm flying towards it now. Am I still... Yes, I'm still plenty high. But it's probably not before we get closer to the periapsis we're actually catching up with it. Can't even see it. I have no idea how far away from the target I am. It would be nice if it would show me. Does it do that? Show like a distance to target? Because I do have a target marked. I can't see. Did it do that? Pretty far ahead, far from each other there. Not gonna meet up before we... Oh. Oh, that was get over here. And H. And there we go. Let's go 6.9 meters per second. I think. Then take it down. 0.1. Let's slow down now. Ooh, was actually going down before. I am still. Hopefully we're gonna meet up with it before. Gonna crash into Kerbal. And within a kilometer, should be better go slow. Okay, let's take it real slow. Okay, so it's possible... How much Delta V have I used? Not that much, actually. Other, of course, the approximately 950. So if I do that manually, we can do it no problem. Ish. But let's just prove that I really can. Of course, I can't dock with it because I should have put a docking port on it anyways. I could have taken it down. Not down. I could have lowered the periapsis and then have it docked to... that was not a good foresight there. I think I've proved myself that I can do it, right? We're close enough now to do like a auto docking if we wanted to. Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. I'm convinced. I hope you are too. Sorry. Excuse me. So let's just get out of here. Then go into the hangar. And go with relay crew SSTO. Relay crew SSTO. And I forgot last time that I wanted to try and do some small alteration. Not a lot, but just one click there. Is that gonna look weird? Is that gonna screw with our... It is. So maybe not there. Let's try and do it here. Yeah, that looks weird. How is that gonna look? That's... I don't know much, but I guess that's too much. Well, at least it's on an angle now, but now it's just raised. It's not gonna work because of the wheels, but Yeah, I kind of I kind of wanted it to be a little more spectacular looking. I feel like the flat wing design is okay, but if we could have done something about it, maybe. How about if we do it here, but use the red one? That's gonna point it the opposite way, so it has downdraft. Well, I guess of course, because the wing is gonna push it down, push it real good. Damn it. Well, guess it's fine. I kind of want to check something else. If we... Oh, it's gonna take a while. Kind of want to see where we at if we empty the whole farm. As much as possible. Would be nice. Wouldn't it be nice if we could empty all the tanks at once? Instead of going this way route. Actually, do we don't? You know what I mean. Okay, that's why it was that so uncontrollable. Even though everything is empty, we kind of want to have the center of mass and the center of lift. The center of lift just behind the center of mass, or at least as centered as possible. So if we fill this up, fill this up, is that going to be enough? It does not. If we reserved all of these, wonder how far we're gonna get. And then alter the wing so we at least on target. No, we need to be behind like that. But that's gonna give us problems. Okay, so now we're far behind. So what if we take these and empty? Still far behind. Put the monopropellant in. That's still way behind. So if we don't have them and that one. But these two here and that one, it looks like that. What if we take this one off? Then we have a little extra liquid fuel and a little bit of oxidizer. If that's used, oh, then we're going to be. Oh, it's really. It's on a tipping point there. Duh. That's not good. It's only gonna be a problem when we land. So the most leverage would be the front tank. So if we go with that, we need to have a little extra because we also need to land the thing before we hit the ground. Don't know how hard it is. If we get through the atmosphere and actually, you know, the flaps can compensate for it with the angle it can hold. And deploying authorized limit 20%. Plus minus 5%. Okay, so if we try and keep those at a fold when we land or when we go through the atmosphere, we should be able to land. Let's see how it's gonna look. Oh, it's already gonna look awful. We didn't even empty these. Crap. I think it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna start having a lot of weight. Is this too much so we can control it when we're taking off? Do not know. Let's try it out. Do we want to go for it or just test if we can take off? Let's just test if we can take off. Let's see if it's too much. If I remember correctly, this one should take off around here, or maybe in the next one. You're here. Go around now. Yeah, that didn't happen. Wasn't it this plane? Okay, it took off before we. Well, and I've changed a decent amount. So it goes up fairly quick. It's already at a decent acceleration per meter, so let's raise it to 20%. And we should see it accelerate again. Maybe by 800. Oh, let's just raise it 5 more percent. Keep it at that. It is way easier to get things into orbit when you go east, because you're following the planet's rotation, so it kind of slingshots you out. If you go out any other way, I don't know how about north and south. No, yeah, I don't think you get any help at all. It feels like we got plenty of control, even though we had the lift way behind the center of mass. So that's a good thing. So that's actually a good thing. Okay, so the question is, do we have enough fuel? If we don't, we need to make the same jigamabob again with a docking port and fuel. And then, you know, fuel in orbit. We can't do it in any other way. But let's use the brakes here, and then I think we need to go south. Yes. Let's rotate. Or not rotate. Let's just speed up time. Time acceleration. Let's keep it at the island. Roughly there. Then take off. And as soon as we take off, let's go south. And I got the wrong pilots on board. Let's fricking redo that. You know, you know, Bill and Valentine. It's just you always want to go. You can't keep them here. Forik? That how it's pronounced? Forik Kerman? I don't know. But that's gonna be us, our engineer. And then he's just gonna let the autopilot do it. Okay, let's do this again. No. You're always yapping through things, Mr. Raven. Just take it easy. Do it right. It's gonna save you more time in the end. As I was trying to teach my students when I was a teacher, the ultimate way of slacking, or, you know, the ultimate way of being lazy, is doing stuff right the first time, because then you don't have to redo it. So if you're lazy and you think, let's just cut a corner here, maybe it goes right sometimes, but most of the times it's not going to, so you're probably gonna have to redo it. That's gonna cost you a lot of time. Life hack right there. That's life hack, just a life advice maybe. And release the brakes. I needed to rotate these a little bit so they actually. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Let's go 180. Oh, not 108,000. A little too much there. Let's bring up the wheels. It's a little wobbly bobbly. Okay, we got plenty of speed, so let's slowly raise our pitch. But let's do it slowly so we don't lose the momentum. We're actually keeping ourselves accelerating all the way through. Excellent. Okay. So, tomorrow is Friday. We actually have a little Friday bar thing at work. Just a couple of hours and not anything big. I need to drive at the motorway, freeway thing, like a little hour to get home. So I think I'm just gonna do like a soda, maybe a light beer. But yeah, we're gonna be like, I think I talked to one of my coworkers and she said we were going to be like 10, 12 people, so not that many. Or we got a company that has 7,300 workers, something. So 10 people is not a lot. Can I get the periapsis to about 50? Go down to 10 here. Let's see if we can do this.